But yeah, you ordered that PS4 headset?
Nah, nah. That shit costs money, bro.
Yeah, it costs.
I'm gonna just chill a little bit.
It's something you don't really need. It's like
Yeah.
uh,
Gotta just focus on
You
this.
don't need it. You don't. Bye.
oh man, let's go. I fixed everything. Screen works. Everything works.
Very good. Very good.
Very good. Very good.
Very good. All right. Let's see. Let's see. What do we see? What do we see?
You see no damn wicks.
I swear I
No fucking way.
I never. I swear to you.
TJ looks like he's just finna rain.
I wonder if I said yesterday how some shit happened. I was like, I wonder if you guys thought I blew my account or something. You guys, when I was like,
Bro, I was like, where the fuck is
this guy blew his account or something?
Yo, I was. Yeah.
Never.
No,
I was
because
just
Don
sitting
get
on my
quiet. That
TV
shit
like
kind of
ready to play
scary.
Warzone.
Nah, I'm good. Some shit.
And then like, bro, when you said that shit in the Telegram, I'm like, wait, you good, bro? Did you like fuck up the account? Like, what happened?
No. I set my account up. Like, I'm gonna make sure everyone knows that I did not blow my account.
I did not blow my shit. What the fuck? What the fuck?
Yeah, I showed all the trades. I'm like, nah, it's same trade.
Made
I think this week I entered 1, 2,
5%.
3,
It's 5%.
4.
Wait, that was the first trade you took, or
Yeah, for sure.
small account, eh?
Small account, super small.
Let's see the fuck out of this.
7.
No
Yeah,
risk.
you might as well, bro. Like until
I took 9 trades this
you
week.
can consistently like be profitable and then grow it.
Yeah. I'm just doing
I
point
should
tens.
probably done that, but
I'm just doing point tens.
Alright. Trade 1 DPGPY plus 11 pips. Bye. Yo, those Asian buys were so nice last night, bro. Like the most on the
that was
T,
easiest shit ever.
the most textbook. Like, the thing is, you would have
Like,
had entries,
multiple entries,
and you would have
yeah.
been able to get in again with an obvious
Yeah.
second entry once already kind of closed. Like I seen it, like I was biking though. I didn't see it, but fuck.
Bro, that range after that drop, I'm like, bro. You know, I was like, oh, that shit look hella shaky, bro. But no, it touched that support hella times and then just took off.
Oh yeah, I forgot I was in that trade yesterday. I closed early. I closed mad early because I joined somebody's stream and then it's
Yo,
completely just messed up
is
my
it
whole
just me?
psychology.
Or it's like my trading view like super light.
Oh, it's you, bro.
Oh nah, bro. I need.
Definitely just you.
Oh, never mind. I refreshed my shit back to normal. Oh no. I don't know what the fuck just happened. That shit
Sir?
kinda scared me. I'm
Looking
like,
at
wait.
too many pairs, bro. Looking at too
No,
many
no, no, no,
exotics.
No, I swear. I ain't never had to see. I think it was just like.
Hey,
confusing.
GJ came down to that support earlier, 131 900. Remember?
Yo.
So now it's at the support.
Bro, I knew this
So-
shit happened.
so-
Just, like, you
so what
can't
we do
do,
now-
like-
Well, yeah, it was a pretty textbook shit to be honest. Close at resistance. You know, kind of close bearish.
Like,
Yo.
especially when the market is moving like this, when the
Yeah.
past when
Yeah.
the past bid has been range, like
Yeah.
it's easy entry.
Like the next move here is probably gonna be a support mate and coming back up to retest the high. Whenever you retest the high, you can have a runner all the way up to wherever, you know. But yeah, I'm pretty sure we can get another buy in once we get some type of support here.
But yo, that could have just been cause yo, 4 hours still bearish in my eyes.
Yeah, 4 hour didn't break the highest. Technically, it's still bearish.
Literally still bearish.
Yeah.
Yeah. It almost broke the
The
high,
daily is
but-
bullish though.
Daily is bullish, yeah.
But daily's. I'm expecting daily to come up to here, but we have to see how it closes. The daily just has to respect 130, 700 to go up.
Apparently there was some bad news though for like GJ. There's
Oh yeah, it was some bad
There's
news
bad
earlier.
news.
It was like,
yeah, and then like I heard some guys on Monty's stream talking about how some guys said it was gonna be like a big ass recession in the UK. So
bruh, cause Sweden in one right now.
Oh, they're talking at 9:30. They're talking about 9. So yeah. The banks, England banks, talking.
Yeah, that's like the Fed Powell of UK.
oh, wait, you're streaming right now?
Yeah, we're on stream.
Yeah, person that's been talking is like the Fed Powell of UK.
Hold on. Let me count this check.
Hold up.
rather than looking for
stomach hurt. My stomach hurt. My stomach hurt.
Bruh, get your mans, bruh. Get your mans.
Sam left the call. This guy's phone is fucked.
It's Rouse's birthday today.
Really?
Happy birthday.
I guess happy
birthday, KLT support. It's funny.
Yo, Sam, I think you need to join the Zoom call on your laptop, bro. you keep getting closed out.
No, I keep on flipping my phone upside down and then that shit.
Yo,
is-
turn the setting off, bro. Turn it to where like if you flip your phone, it doesn't end the call. Like there's a
Oh,
setting.
that's what it is?
Yeah, like I told you already, bro.
No, you didn't.
Well, I think I did. I don't know. It's not really my issue, but I tried telling you before. I'm pretty sure I said something about it.
Yeah, that's
Ah,
proximity.
Try like going auto. What's it called? Hold on. Let me check. iPhone setting.
oh, it's not iPhone setting.
iPhone. Go to. Go general.
I'm
Let
gonna
me
just not turn my shit upside down.
and call when. Oh.
Hopefully this next 50-minute closes bullish and then we can get sell stops.
This week has been pretty golden. This the second week of is this simulation, sir? This is live trading. If you look at the description, this is live trading. This is the live charts right now.
Live works.
Live charts. No simulation.
Life is simulation now, but it's not.
Same shit though. You know, we do the same thing on simulation, same thing on charts, same thing. Same concept. But yeah, this is a pretty live charts, man. Yeah, guys. We caught GJ buys earlier at around 5:30 a.m. ish. You know, we caught this at a buy stop. This would have been an entry candle right there, but I decided to have a buy stop above this candle high over here. And as you can see, from here to here, you have a nice. Oh, let me record my thing. So I had. Let me repeat that. So I had buys here earlier at 5:30 a.m. Pretty much. This candle closed bullish at support, made support here, closed bullish. So you can start looking for buys, and then obviously, this would have been an ideal candle entry. I got a little late. I had a buy stop above here actually, market execution. So if you look at GJ right now, pretty much there was no traffic from here, and pretty much on this candle it did a mirror of that. So if you guys block all the noise on GJ, you're gonna see that there is pretty much clean traffic. Pretty much clean traffic like that. You have if you block everything out, this is what you have. Clean traffic. There's nothing in between that's blocking it. So this is what you consider a clean traffic move. Yeah, it was a pretty simple move. You know, price came up in like 5 minutes and got out in like 5 minutes. Yeah, so that was my 11 pips for a day. So today I'm just gonna, you know, maybe catch one more trade. See what happens. Yeah, pretty much it. Waiting for.
What do you think about if the 15 closes bullish here and then we get sell stops?
If the 15 closes bullish here, the 1 hour is still gonna close bearish. I don't know. I prefer that like the next candle, like sure the small time frame could lead up to the bigger time frame. Like I've seen it multiple times. Like not I've seen it all the time, but yeah, it's at support. If the 15 closes bullish, you have a high chance of coming up. But the hourly is still bearish.
That's not what I was saying, bro.
What are you saying?
If the 15-minute closes, if the 15-minute here closes bullish, then sell stops below. The
Oh
low.
yeah. That's yeah. Cause then that'll be an ideal trade because The hourly will close bearish. It'll make sense for it to come down once it breaks that 15-minute low. So yeah, that's a pretty good lineup right there. Pretty good scenario.
To the left.
Yeah, cause like yeah, once it breaks the support, once it breaks this 1 hour low here, it's gonna go down to. Cause technically, 4 hour didn't break the highs, didn't break the lows. Previous candle was bearish, so this might be a wick to come down. Who knows? We can still come down to 131.560 here. We don't know that's gonna go up yet. 4 hour didn't break the highs. The 1 hour sure did break the high, but the 1 hour made a resistance. So yeah, I don't know what to look for today.
Because right now, where it's at, this is the area where we usually like retest and then shoot back up. Yeah. I'm looking at the left, I'm like yesterday, same area. Once it gets around this area, it just starts shooting up. But if it breaks here, it's just going down. Straight up.
Yeah.
This 1 hour close below, that's a fake out.
Yo, because the 4 hour, yeah, technically the 4 hour, like, it's technically a fake out. And like I said, 85% chance of filling the range, which it did on the previous 1 a.m. candle. And this candle could possibly break that low to continue coming down. Like, you know, we don't know how low it's gonna go here. Yeah, like technically, like that buy we caught, was technically a pullback, go down. You know, we didn't break the highs.
Also, if you look at the weekly, like,
Yeah, weekly still like bearish. You know,
never
we didn't
broke
break the highs. We broke the lows. You know, no bond
we
wick.
just
Like,
rejected off
yeah.
support, and then now, yeah.
the daily is pretty bullish until today. Like today is like this kind of has to break the high to go up. That's what it kind of has to do. Yeah, you gotta see how the daily closes to really determine our bias here. How do I join the Zoom? You can't.
Secret society. That's all you gotta say.
You cannot join the Zooms.
Yeah, you have to be 50-0 in the gulag.
Maybe later on. You know, if you're in VIP later on when like the stream gets a little bigger, okay, I might consider people joining the Zoom call, but I just don't want people to join the Zoom calls to have like 1,000 trade ideas. You know, it wouldn't make sense for the viewers.
Mink.
Impersonal, don't worry. Only like a couple people in the Zoom calls anyways, like 5 people. Previous 1 a.m. candle. Yeah, so you know the 4 hour candles go 159 a.m. This one at 1, this one at 5, this one at 9 every day. 159 during the PM, then 159 during the AM. There's 6 4-hour candles in a day. And if you look at GJ, what happened here? Price made a resistance here. Price made a resistance, rejected. This candle broke the highs. Well, it didn't break the highs. It just came up, closed above this range. So this would be considered a breakout. And this candle came back in the range. So when it comes back in the range, what happens? Price will have an 85% chance of filling the range, which it did. It tapped 131.500 easily. And then this candle right now, we don't know where it's gonna go yet. We could say maybe it's gonna go down because the previous candle was bearish, but this candle came up earlier and it made, I guess it made a pullback maybe to come down because this candle didn't break the highs of the 4 hour. So until this 4 hour candle breaks the high of the 4 hour, I will look for buys. But in this range, I'm not gonna look for much. There might be some trouble here because technically we're still bearish, you know.
Also, if you look at the 4 hour, like it closed bearish below the range,
Yeah.
below the range, so or below the resistance.
Yeah. Yep, it closed below resistance, so
Like,
like
it looks so good. It looks so good for itself.
Yeah. Cause it's not. I just feel like hella bad news. I'm just reading on it right now. It just sounds like
Yeah.
this shit's gonna drop. Just trying to make it high so it could drop.
Like they were talking on the London stream. Monty was about like being bad news for pound. So
Yeah. Yeah, I'm reading it.
we'll
Right
see,
now.
we'll see.
Only VIP can join. Yeah, if you're in VIP, no Zoom calls, not even for VIP. It's just everyone gets a YouTube side until
It's for the MVPs, bro.
these are for just for like people that either have a similar training style or just people that I'm friends with. You know, already are friends. Cause Jimmy here did not have the same training style as me.
Nope.
A couple weeks ago.
But now, basically, it's
You know, it grew onto him. You know, all he
That was a
needed.
nice ass buy, Jimmy.
yeah, appreciate it. I don't know. This is like textbook type shit.
Yeah.
Y'all wake up like the Undertaker, right? Like, get up.
Jimmy, as long, I'm telling you, bro, as long as you do not pull that Friday stuff ever again, bro.
Never, ever,
Like I know you said it like 1,000 times. Like I've seen you said it 1,000 times. I've seen you go through all that shit. I don't know. You just gotta stop doing it ASAP. You just gotta stop. That's the only way it's the only way you're gonna grow here. You know, if you keep making the same mistakes, you're not gonna take off.
Appreciate that.
Dude, the 1-5 o'clock, 1-5-9 o'clock candles have to do with sessions. Those are the 4-hour candles.
Yeah.
So if you look at on my time, Eastern time, the 4-hour candles goes at 1-5-9. Those are new candles openings of the 4-hour candles.
I heard that trade open, Mr. Samuel.
Who's that?
I heard that trade open. I heard that
Nah,
magic keys.
I don't know open shit. That was probably some
Nah.
night.
Nah,
My
that's the
magic keys is off right now,
That's
bro.
the magic keys. I heard you.
But like, to do with sessions, not really, because it's just 1-5-9. You know, sessions. These are your sessions. Asian is at 7 to 4. My bad. No, 8 to 5 a.m. 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. London's at 3 a.m. to 11, and New York's at 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern. Right. So those are the sessions. But the 1-5-9 is just the 4-hour candles. I mean, sure, kind of, not really. It doesn't have to do with sessions a little bit, but it's just candles at the end of the day. They are just candles. So, but yeah, it's just good to keep in mind when the 4-hour candles are, because usually 4-hour candles, 1-hour candles have bigger pullbacks than obviously 30-minute candles, 50-minute candles, because they're a higher time frame, right? So that's why you gotta incorporate all the time frames together to make one big time frame. Like this GJ trade I bought, pretty much what happened was the 1-hour right here, you know, close that support. The next 1-hour candle broke the highs of that one, broke the highs of this one. Going to 30-minute, it was a clean traffic move up. 15-minute was a clean traffic move up. You gotta really incorporate all your time frames together. Yeah. And like the 4-hour, you know, it made some type of support here. You know, but yeah. Gold's going up here, guys. Today it's 160. 160. We're going to close in an hour here.
Or this 1-hour candle goes like this.
The 1-hour candle close like doesn't call out a signal for a VIP with a fat ass stop loss, but you know, it's what they want. It's gonna play out though. It's a good trade. It's not. I'm not gonna take it, but this is what they want. You know, it's a good trade. Trust me. It's a trade. It's a trade I'll take on a smaller time frame, but I just don't want a 50 pip stop loss. I mean a 30 pip stop loss. It's not even that. It's like a 20 pips. Not even that deep, but yeah, spreads. I don't want to retouch gold. I just want to focus on GJ. But you know, they've been asking for it, so. But you know, the 1-hour is gonna close above the range. If you look left, it's gonna be a clear move up to 1755. And then at 1755, you can move stops to entry, and then let the shit run until 762, because you're gonna have some traffic over here. But it's a pretty clear trader. Let me check actually. I might look for entry. What are spreads right now? Spreads are spreads high?
Yo, gold doesn't even have a ECN thing, does it?
Gold, yeah, it does. Wait, no, it doesn't.
Shit.
1,
Because
2,
it doesn't have the plus, right?
2 pips.
That's your gold.
Yeah.
That's what goes at right now. 2 pips.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna change my
So,
bro. I'm changing
just
Yeah.
my
If,
fine.
bro.
that's actually I think that's normal for gold.
Well, yeah.
Oh,
But like,
5-2, like 3-2, it's ranging. Pretty normal for gold, I think.
my 4 pips for gold. What's GJ? How much
Oh
pips do you
my
have on GJ?
god. What the heck?
0.5. Yeah, usually goes straight into
The thing
profits.
about gold is whenever that shit starts pushing, the spreads go up. I swear.
Bruh.
Like,
I don't know.
like the spreads are so inconsistent. It's like it's just annoying.
It's not even inconsistent. Like the brokers know what they're doing, man. They're trying to rob you.
Recently
Like,
bought your course. Oh, nice. Yeah, for a course, I'm gonna have a chat up on Discord soon. I'm using Discord for the course members. I'm gonna have Asian session. I'm gonna have a London session. I'm gonna have a New York session on the Discord servers. If you don't know about Discord, just don't worry about it. You'll figure it out when I have it up. You don't gotta worry about it. Yeah, for the course members, I'll be on Discord. Yeah, I think I'm raising the price for course here. I'm gonna raise
For
it up.
course?
Yeah, a lot of people are buying it. I'm gonna raise it
Yeah.
up to 450.
550.
Especially with the value,
1,000.
with with the videos I added, it's definitely not worth
Yes.
400. It's definitely worth way more.
For sure, bro. For sure, like you can't really get more value than
I
something.
did. I started off low at first because it was an opening, but you know, after a couple months, bro, I gotta raise it. There's no way I'm leaving it at 400 for life. Definitely not worth.
LV go on sale.
Not worth my time for 4 bills. Yeah, guys. So if this 1 hour closes on gold here, we're going up. We're going up. Going up. 30 pips. Or 30 pips. Gold.
Yeah, gold has to make like one like clean move here.
Yeah, daily is bullish as fuck.
It's been pretty consolidation-y for a little bit. You just go like strong bullish here on the 15. Even a fat wick.
But even the thing yesterday, people were talking to me about in our VIP chat. They were like, "Well, we don't have when I give a signal, they're like, oh, we don't have the capital to secure 10 pips all the time. Like we want more, whatever type shit, right?" But like
It's not about
if that's what the
capital.
market give you, and if the trade, if you don't, if the TP I gave was a 20 pip move, 10 pip move, and you're deciding to hold it past the 20 pip, 10 pip move, that's all on you. I'm just telling you guys to move stop loss to entry because if price does come back, it has a high chance of breaking the lows and you're being drawdown, and that's what the market is. That's what the market's gonna give you. I can't control the market. I'm doing the best of my ability to really give you what I see in my thought process of the market, and you know, the rest is just like it depends on you. If you have the option to hold it, you have the options to do whatever with it, but the signal is just based off of my analysis, you know.
Yo, I might have sell stops and buy stops here
For what?
for GJ.
Oh.
Breaks the 1 hour high, we going up. Breaks the 1 hour low, we going down.
Yeah.
Like, wait, why did that even make sense that they were saying it was about to happen? It's not like
Bro, the thing is about trading,
I guess
10 pips will add up. Trust me. But,
well, bro, at the end of the day, 10 pips can be however much you want it to be, you know? Like,
or like this. The thing about trading, like what I learned over time, bro, it's like people just focus on the dollar amount more than the pip amount, you know?
For sure.
Like people would rather catch $100 off of like a US 30 buy, right? Than 100 pips off of like a GJ sell and make way more than that. Like people don't focus more on pip value. They just focus on, you know, the dollar sign.
Yeah, like that's
Like a
another
huge
stop.
thing,
Let's not just stop focusing on like the money side of things. It's just
Yeah.
the catch, like focus on the pitch and the move. And
Yeah.
you'll be,
Like the money will come for sure. It's
Yeah.
just people just focus on. Yeah, I'm gonna just focus on, you know, building my account fast as hell. You know, but just saying, like I always say, faster it come, faster it go, bro.
oh, it's
Jimmy, you know that.
Yep, I for sure know that. I'm telling you, bro. Once you literally make $700 in like a 30-minute time span, and not even doing like, don't know what you're doing, then trust me, bro. You're gonna blow it as fast as you get it. Like literally 30 minutes of freaking scalp in London, bro. I didn't know what I was doing. I was just taking advantage of the shitty market. Then woke up next morning, thought I had more confidence in the world, blew that shit.
Hey, once GG breaks the 1 hour high here, it's going up. The previous bearish candle high.
Incoming
yeah.
mail.
If you
What
if you
fuck?
focus on
Who's
the
MT4 is that?
No, it's my MT5.
Bruh. Yeah,
that
mute,
shit
mute.
scared
Turn your
me.
volume off on that.
Bicycle!
This is-
Go
No,
up.
cause I just opened it. I just like opened MT5 on the computer for the first time.
Incoming mail.
My
Alright.
problem is being greedy.
Where'd
and
you
turning-
Think about MT5, just
Bro,
keeps
if you-
beeping. Just keeps
If you
beeping like
focus
that.
on like just do this, bro. Like just focus on one session. Like don't even worry about like throughout the whole day. Focus on one single session, and it will help you not be greedy.
Yeah, one
anymore.
session every day. Do the same thing every day.
One.
That's the thing.
Yeah.
Like some days you're gonna catch some days you're gonna catch an early bird, some days you're not. It doesn't matter. If you do it every day, you're mostly gonna catch the same move every day. Like I'm working about 5:30 every day, I catch the same move majority of the time. Like some days, like yesterday, it didn't happen, but today it happened. You know, some days it's not gonna happen, some days. But yeah, like your problem is being greedy, entering multiple entries. That's just like depends. Like, are you entering multiple entries because you see more blue, or it's because you get more confirmations? It's the difference between the two. I enter multiple entries because I see the actual kind of close. You know, like I anticipate the move first, and then I see the actual kind of close, then I enter a second entry. But do you enter entries because you see more blue? The more blue you get, the more you want to enter. That's the difference. That makes a huge difference. That's gonna affect your trading. Gonna affect it.
Oh, Euro News, EBC interest rate decision. The same, I guess. I hope so. Ooh. Dang, it broke the heck out of that 30. Broke that 15. Oh yeah, you did it done.
I just try to make more money. Well, if you're trying to make more money, you shouldn't be trading. Should not be trading if you're just trying to make more money. It's not gonna work out.
You have to
It's not gonna
concentrate,
work
don't
out.
worry about it.
If you want more money, other than trading, job. Ain't nothing
If
wrong
you
with
if you
a
want
job.
more money, just get a job straight up. Like trading, if you're trading and you have a job, treat trading like a hobby. Until they just treat it as a hobby. Don't be like, okay, I'm gonna make millions off of this. You know, I can just rely on this for my own social income. I don't gotta work. No, it's not gonna work. Trust me. You're just gonna be chasing the
Your
dollar.
job is like a safety net, like your SL basically. Like
It's not even that. It's like quitting your job to go trading and you know not like you don't know much about it. You haven't had the experience. You haven't had the, you know,
Yeah.
it's not gonna work out. You just be thinking about a dollar and you'd be like, fuck, I need to make this amount because I won't be able to live off, with this whatever. So no.
Like, ain't nothing wrong with having a job in trading, man. Don't let no one like talk you down on
Yeah.
having a job in trading. Like, don't let like these marketers, all that shit, like get to you, bro. If you have a
Right.
job and you trading, man, respect. Same with me.
It's social media, bro. Social media is
Yeah,
just
bro.
like, that's all it is.
Yeah, bro. I don't listen to them. Like, yeah, I still got a job. I'm trading. What? As long as I'm
Bro,
bills
90%
getting
of
paid,
the people like flexing that say they're trading don't trade.
What are your weekly pip goals? I don't have weekly pip goals.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
I
They
have
be their own boss.
expectations, but I don't have a goal. I don't go like I needed to cash 50 pips this week, cause then you'd just be chasing a dollar.
Yeah.
Like this GJ trade this morning. I'm like, okay, whatever the market gives me, I'm taking it. 10 pips, they give me 10 pips, I'll take 10 pips.
I took that
Today.
off my training plan, man.
I entered a 8.0 a lot this morning, on a 10 pip move, and that was it. Like I wasn't projecting. I wasn't like, okay, I need to make 400 on this trade. I was thinking like that. I was thinking about the move. I don't care about the dollar. It was 8.0 lot, sure, but I wasn't looking at that at all. You know,
Oh,
Bro, I got in the buy.
for what, gold?
No,
GG.
Oh, nice.
He's been in.
Oh, that was my
I
freaking
don't-
trading view
I
the
don't
whole time.
buy, bro. 5 minute maybe.
Wait, who got in?
Rise.
Oh,
Roger Banks.
Your
Yeah.
uncle, bro.
oh, he broke the 30-minute high. Cause 30-minute high looks like liquidity wick, but I don't know. I'll prefer to have a buy stop above that 1 hour high.
No, like his buy stop is it in the middle.
Oh,
of the
buy
15
stop,
minute
buy
candle.
stop.
No. So, sorry, his buy.
Oh,
It's
buy.
in the middle of the 15-minute candle. I guess like once it broke like 131,930. I don't know how he got that.
Yeah. He's in the zone, bro.
Yeah.
He's in his mark. He's on
Damn,
his
15 pips.
Sheesh.
Wizard.
Very good, very good. Let's see.
Could see GJ coming down here now.
What do I see?
It tapped. It tapped that resistance on those 15.
Mm-hmm.
I have a job, but if you need me to try to make money.
Try and find like cause you have the Asian session, you have the New York and the London session. Just try and find a way it works best for you. Cause at the end of the day, bro, it's not like it's.
Who asked the question? My chat's not loading. What did he say?
He said he has a job, but it's in the way.
Yeah, like thing is like, if you have a job, like it depends. Like, what time do you work? If you're working at night, maybe try waking up in early morning. Like, I guess you're up right now because you work later in the day. Like, so you're good. Like, just trade New York, and that's it. Like, I just trade New York. I have the whole day to myself, but I just trade one session. I don't have to trade all day, Or if you're working in later at night, or if you're working like right now, you just trade during Asian session. I catch moves during Asian every day. Like, I try to catch at least one if there's a move, But from like 7 to 8 p.m. you can catch one during that time. If not, then you trade during Asian. But if you want to be trading, you gotta make time for it. You can't just randomly open up your MT4 during like 5 a.m. during the day and be like, oh, I'm gonna enter a buy because I'm free right now. It's not gonna work like that. You have to pick a specific time, you have to pick a specific schedule you want to trade, and stick to it. Trust me, bro. I've been kind of through it. I'm still young though. I'm thinking of going back to school actually for business. Maybe like in a year or two, who knows? But just because, you know, making X amount doesn't mean education is a different thing. Trust me, trust. Wait, Jay, you're in school?
No.
Yeah, I took a year off last year. Then I don't know. I guess I'm just again
Or
there.
in college?
This thing just played out. Yeah, but I'm thinking of just actually going for business because I actually want or economics.
Now I want to get into real estate. I want to like see what's up with that. Like what is it called?
Wholesaling?
Nah,
Cause like if I'm
fixed
trading,
schools or something?
I might as well go to school to get economics course to improve my trading. This is how it works, you know. Economics or you know maybe business, but economics would make much sense.
Bro, I just can't do school, bro. Fucking hate it. Like,
Listen to Ted, bro. Listen to Ted.
that shit just like melts my brain. Like doing tests and shit. Like, I can't.
I mean, I hate school, but I wouldn't mind going if it's gonna improve my. Give me a degree one, and it's gonna give me or a
More
look
knowledge.
about our look in trading. Yeah, like, I'm just doing technical analysis right now, but like you know, if I understand the economy more,
Like,
it'll
economics is interesting
it'll
and
make everything
important.
yeah.
All I know is that was my favorite class in high school. The only class I really like took serious.
Cause like
What,
Like-
economics?
Yep. I swear, I hated high school until like I was in economics. I was like, I swear, I got like a 95 in that class, but it wasn't even like people thought it was hard. But I'm like, bro, this is just straight common sense. Like,
Cause yeah, the thing is like, if I don't have trading, what else do I have? You know, I didn't finish school. I don't have a degree. That's it. It's just trading, and like, if trading were to end tomorrow, what would I do? You know, it's not obviously not gonna end tomorrow. I can't. It will never end. But just without trading, what else do I have? I need to have some type of backup plan. Sure, popping 8.0s, whatever.
yeah, pays
But-
bills, but
I could like I could still be doing the same shit while learning economics. I don't know, I just been thinking about school the past couple of weeks. Maybe like, but it's not gonna be like maybe it's gonna be in like 2 years I'll go back, but or a year, you know. But I still gotta get that education. We'll see. I'm only 20.
If I was to go back to school, I might just I'll probably go back and do like media side of things, like photography and like videography, because that's what I'm into.
what's up?
Yeah.
If I was to go back to college, like it's like I'm in between it right now. Like, should I go back or should I not?
True. I was supposed to like sign up for this semester, but like the whole coronavirus thing.
Nah, bro, they giving out free. They doing free waivers right now. Like, not free waivers, like the fees of signing up. They took it off.
Mhm.
Oh, Gigi's going down here.
I'm in this, so
Yeah, Gigi's going down here.
counting. Like if I even if dead ass deciding to go to college maybe next year. If trading goes right to get like some backup money, cause I fumbled the bag with my scholarship shit. I fumbled it.
Coming down.
Yep. I got in a sell. Up here, I moved stop sentry.
Into the sellout, my friend.
I got it right here. Stop sentry. Up. I popped the 8.0 here. First trade I popped. No, my bad. The first trade I didn't pop 8.0. The first trade I popped the 4.0. I sent it. This trade I popped the 8.0. The stops are much smaller. So.
Yo, Sam, you ended up downloading Warzone, right? It worked?
Like the update, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, download it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We lit, my friends. We lit. Have a good day. One more trade.
Stops our entry. Because we're reaching some type of minor support here, so I don't want to stop entry right away because the minor support in a 5-minute or 15-minute and 7 pips in profit. And if the trade does come back up, I don't know how high it's gonna go, and I don't want to risk being in drawdown again. So I rather move stop entry now, risk free trade,
Yes,
and
sir.
we're not worried about it. But yeah, we're pretty good. We're pretty up right now. 300.
200Ks in there.
500.
I'm closing half here.
Wickfield.
Same as me. I'm closing half in the restaurant.
People have high chance of them Wickfield.
Yeah, cause like if you the 1 hour close bearish at resistance, nice wick to fill. The overhead trend is still bearish. 30-minute, 15-minute broke the lows.
Close, bro.
Coming down here. What do you mean? I closed my full position.
Yo, MT5 is bugging. Wait,
Modify.
what? So wait, how do you close? Yeah, I pressed modify and then it just gave me the option to. That was weird. I closed it, but.
I closed 10
was
pips
weird.
too.
Did y'all update y'all max keys yet?
Nah, I
I only
don't.
got 7 pips on this. Wait, what was your entry?
1 hour, 1 new hour candle. Once the 15 broke the lows. Well, technically that candle. I'll show you. I got in right here.
I got it literally right.
131, 960, and I got out around 10 pips. 10 pips on dot. Yeah. It wasn't really a trade I really
Yo, commissions aren't even that bad.
It's not, bro. I don't know why you're tripping over that earlier.
Yeah, yo, it looked bad though. Like, how much commission did you pay for that shit? Hold up. Like you like I don't know, how much commission do you pay for like 8.0?
I pay $4.
What?
$40 for 8.0.
40 or
40?
Yeah, $40.
Oh, I think you said 4. I'm like, wait, I'm going to Vantage, bro. I'm going to Vantage. I'm Naruto running to Vantage right now.
No, I pay thing, yeah.
I'm
Hit
closing
target.
Yep, hit target.
that.
Nice.
Very nice, very nice.
Very good.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Damn,
let my
I wish I had like closed when I was supposed to close. I would have got like 5 extra bucks. It's all good.
Yeah, bro. I'm gonna just save up.
That
and
MT5 is weird.
whatever happens around next time fall, then happens.
Trying to drop like 3 bands on my trading account. Yo, what's it called? You guys know about what's the glasses called? It's like
What?
helps you let me see if I can find it.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna probably just not go to school next year, and then after next year I'm gonna make a decision.
Nah, I'm gonna save up this year until next fall, and then go to school. High chance.
What is it called?
I might. I don't, it's not even might. I'm gonna just sign up for financial aid.
But like I for sure really want to go ham with this and like do what Don did and shit.
We're trading.
Yeah. Bro, this guy did all this shit in a year.
Year and a half.
Year and a half.
Different strokes for different folks, man.
But it's just
No, yeah, I'm not saying that should have happened to me, but I'm just saying like that's insane. Like,
the discipline was really what took the longest.
I'm not even talking about the
So
trading,
today,
like,
I
this guy sells a course, sells a VIP chat, like has 600 members, like yeah.
are you talking about this just selling stuff? Yeah, selling stuff it just came naturally. It just came. I don't know, but if I don't sell anymore, I don't care. Like, it's whatever. I don't care about the sell.
Just, yeah, but like I mean, like it's like why the fuck like wouldn't you if you have that skill? Like
Why not?
yeah,
Yeah, you put in the
capitalize, and then you just get passive income. Like
It's like you've been like in a channel since last year type shit. You don't see like the results just plug for themselves. Yeah. No kidding.
yeah, the growth is insane. Bro, even the growth that
It's just the past couple. I don't know how I went from this week, 7 to 8. I wasn't expecting to go to 8 this week. It's just cause like, bro, last week was like 100% week. First trade this week was a bad week, and then this whole week, I don't think I've lost a trade ever since our first Monday trade on the stream. And it was a stupid trade. I know it wasn't a stupid trade, but it was like a very
Very.
I went against a trend, and then I lost 7 pips on it. But whatever. I closed. I was happy because I closed early on it, and I was happy because I managed my risk correctly by closing early. So I only lost like half of what I was supposed to lose with the regular stop loss, and that's why I was happy about that. So I ended the day blue anyways, but yeah, that was the only loss, and then I was very confident this week. So 8.0 upped it. The
bro,
next
this trade was like no thought. I just entered and I wasn't worried at all, and then it just
yeah.
this was just natural.
Yeah.
That's what it has to feel. It's natural. You don't even think about it.
Like I don't look at the amount. I don't look at the amount at all.
Yeah, I just started turning off my terminal, and then like shit just came through me, man.
Like on an 8.0 lot this week, the max drawdown I've seen on an 8.0 was $50.
Wow.
Crazy.
50
That's
bucks.
nuts.
50 bucks. Like no, not like a 70 to 80, but like the 8.0, like that's pre 1 pip drawdown this whole week. Obviously some days you're gonna have drawdown, 2-3 pips drawdown, 5 pips drawdown maybe, but some days you're not. This week I didn't see much drawdown. Move stops to entry, everything just played out. Majority of my shit hit entry though. I'd be scared to trade with that much. It's not really like you're scared just because right now you don't have the skill set. Not the skill set. You don't have the mindset or the
Most
growth.
thing I
The
realized,
growth
it
yet.
just takes time.
To be able to drop those big lots.
It takes time.
Yeah, it takes time. Like if you're dropping whatever to point
Honestly, bro,
tens.
like, even if it's like just like honestly just like taking trades, just taking trades, even if like you're not too comfortable with it, like it's just good to just learn from it and then just
If
move
you
on.
lose, you learn. If you win, no one.
Thing is like, you can't like when you're in a trade. Ask yourself, would this be a trade you're taking every day? And once you start thinking about that, you wouldn't think about the profits. You think about the move. Like I'm happy I caught the moves today. I'm not happy I made whatever X amount. Like I don't care about that. I care about catching the move. If I can cash the same move every day, That's gonna show some consistency, and the up loss is gonna go up naturally. But if you're just trading to see $100 on your account, $200 on your account, $500 on your account, $1,000 on your account,
Yeah.
you're not gonna grow. You're not gonna grow.
Yeah, that's
Straight
what I'm
up.
saying. Like for those people that are saying like, oh, like they don't have the capital to post.
Yeah,
half,
it doesn't matter.
doesn't
Yeah,
matter. It's about the
if you have
process.
$1,000 account, you can't cash 10 pips. How are you gonna be
Bro.
profitable?
I closed
If you
half
can't
my
manage your
account,
risk,
bro.
if you can't manage your risk, you can't close early. You don't know when to close early. You don't trust the
Yeah.
stop loss. How are you gonna do with $100 in that account?
If you can
Can't.
slowly grow your small account by like closing half at 10 pips. And, like,
Yeah, you-
going through that
yeah,
process,
exactly.
Like, you can always deposit more. You can always just deposit more and then just do the exact same thing.
Unless-
Risk the
unless-
exact same thing.
Like if you blow your account and then keep depositing, then that's basically like slot machine, bro. Don't be that person. If you blow your account, then
But yeah, honestly, when I was
take
when I
like
was
a
blowing
week or
my,
two off, and then come back.
like bro, when you're
You see
blowing
why
your
you
accounts
blew
and
it.
shit, like once you get to a certain point of like, let's say you're at Iraq and like now you're at like 700, you're like, oh fuck, like fuck
Yeah.
it, like I'm already down like this much. I'm gonna just risk the rest.
That's the.
I did the amount of times I did that shit.
I closed, bro. I had I used to have like a .02 running. I closed half of that position, bro. Like, doesn't matter about like the
Yeah,
lot size
exactly.
you're using. Just, as long as you're just focused on
Focus on you.
10%. Yeah, and
Just focus on you. Like who's paying the bills? You. Who's waking up to put like food on
more
the table?
10%.
You. You know. Just focus on you. Not focus on them. It's all about
Yeah.
you. Because at the end of the day, ain't no one paying your bills, no one holding your hand except you. No one got you but you. You know?
Yeah, you have a runner running or not?
No, I don't.
Like that goes for anyone, bro.
8 tapes on a .02. Yeah, I think I'm done for the day.
I feel like for a trade like this, you don't really like it's fine if you post full. Cause
Yeah, like one more trade then. I'm gonna
I
finish.
only have like a .02.
That's been waiting.
I'm not even stressing me. I already took like 80% or like 90%. So
yeah.
I finished.
But yo, it does have potential to go far, like for sure. Because
Yeah.
if you look at the 4-hour weekly,
I bet
Super
it
fair.
on the 1 hour, like, cause the 1 hour is filling that wick and like 131 590
mm-hmm.
is where like my second TD would be at, based on the 1 hour time frame. 30 minutes closing. Filling that wick. Not even looking at this shit right now though.
I see this trade play out. Yeah, so I sent a ghost in here. It hit stop loss 20 pips, but based off the hourly time frame, but you look at the hourly. Will I take the trade again? Of course I would. This trade is a high probable trade. We have resistance. Can close bullish above the range. Nice wick to get filled. Stop loss below his candle. Boom, came down, hit stop loss. Am I worrying? No. Will I take the trade again? Of course. This is the same setup that I took this morning on GJ. Broke out of the range and no traffic to the left. But sometimes you still have that 20% chance or 40%, 30% chance of hitting stop loss. It's not always gonna be not always gonna go your way. If it doesn't go your way, then that's just up. Will you take the trade again? If you say yes, then good. But if you say no, then you just took the trade because you felt that it was going to go up, instead of actually seeing it play out. It's all a sample size. If I were to take the trade 1,000 times, 75%, 80% of the time, it's gonna play out. But this is one time it didn't play out, and I can't really do much about that.
You just have to learn how to manage your
But yeah,
like,
I didn't take the trade. As I said, I was looking at GJ mostly. But this gold is traded. I'll actually take if I didn't take GJ. I just didn't want a 30 pip. I mean 20 pip, 25 pip stop loss. 20 pip stop loss. Thing about me compared to other signal providers is that my stop losses are much tighter. Like I've seen a signal channel, bro. They give a signal with the 100 pip stop loss and a 800 pip gain. Bruh,
Yeah, I don't
Bruh.
know, bro.
bruh.
Bro, the signal price
And
go
and
fuck.
and the signal people that are taking the signals they don't know much better. They're just all leverage on the trade no matter what. They doesn't care. They don't even look at the stop loss. They just enter it because they see a signal.
Signal providers, they just there to get the bag and
Yeah.
if it
They don't
hit,
care about their people.
yeah.
That's the thing with me. I actually care. I give TP stop loss. I tell you when it closed, when it moves off the entry. I didn't do it before, but now I do that. You know, before I gave trades that I didn't take sometimes, but now I give every single trade I took, or like goals I didn't take, but it was something I'll take because I was looking at GJ here. But yeah, like some supervisors, man, they just give a signal and they just close their eyes and let it run. You know, they don't. And then market. I just caught 1,200 pips here in one day. You know, and bro, I gotta make a TikTok about all these forex memes, bro. I'm gonna make one. I think I'll make one that's gonna be like, this is how it's gonna go. It's gonna be like this guy's gonna be like, yeah, man, I blew my account today, but I'm not gonna do it anymore. I'm gonna put like a GIF or something else. I got blown. It's gonna be crazy.
You should do like that guy where it was
Yeah, the GIF, that guy who saw like,
Yeah.
FOMO. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, I'm gonna do that.
No, his name is Conceited.
Oh no.
Conceited.
I don't know, bro. I'm just saying you should do the dances. I'll call it forex.
Nah, you should do like graveyard. You should do like the graveyard thing. You'd be like, hey, I'm not doing like no, and then like the music fades in, and then like you should put like trading count as casket, and then like the 4 people holding it is like the lot size and shit like that.
Drummer Boy J25 asked, would you re-enter gold? No, because here's the thing. I gave the signal on the fact that this candle should respect the low if it wants to go up. Obviously, 80% of the time when a candle breaks a low, not even 80, I think 9% of the time when a candle breaks a low, it usually continues to come down, right? So, me entering a trade again wouldn't make sense. If you want to enter a trade again, that's just you entering emotionally. But technically, if I were in another position and candle broke the low, this would be a sell coming down until, you know, next support, and it wouldn't make sense to be in a trade. You always gotta look at the trade from the other side, from the other aspect. Like after every candle forms, just look at it from the other side. What would you do here? Just sell? If you sell, you exit the trade on the buy. You know? That's the thing about forex.
It's breaking the 1 hour low.
Yeah, I'm up like 12 tips.
Broke that 15, broke that 30.
Yo,
Hello.
MT5, bro.
Sounds nice.
MT5's on crack.
Sounds nice though. Okay.
Yeah,
Sounds nice.
Sounds-
Like
MT4 just sounds like role play. This sounds.
Thing about MT5, bro, it just
Those sound fun.
keeps making that sound like ding. It always does
What
it.
is that? What is that from?
I don't know. It's annoying. I want to turn it off, but
Like, it's
I don't
from
know how.
nothing.
but you have to go to your sounds folder and then turn it off.
Hold on. How to turn off
Alright.
MT5?
Nah, this is how you do it.
Oh, wait, I think I know how. Yeah, sounds folder, right?
Go on
Let me-
tools. No, go on tools, options, and then where's this? I didn't like to. No.
Oh, events.
Damn, 50
Enable sound.
Events. There you go.
Turn it off. Okay,
Yeah,
perfect,
yeah.
perfect,
Just
perfect.
turn
Thanks,
off.
thanks. I got you. Appreciate that, brother.
No problem. Mr. Fundamental Big Lot.
I got save settings. No, I don't got save settings. Yeah. The only sound I want is magic key sounds probably. So I know when it's gonna hit TP or it stops at break even, partial TP, etc.
Proximity. Signals? Oh. I think I found something.
Damn, you can wait. So you can't do it on MT4 or no? Like, you can't, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
you could.
Oh,
You
I
do the same way.
or no one told me
Window.
this whole time, man.
No option. Bruh, I've been lied to, bro.
Robin,
Been lied to.
why?
The sounds, bruh. When I used to use the system, no one ever taught me how freaking tough it sounds, so I just like did my
Oh.
got lied to me. All I hear at 3 o'clock in the morning when I used to do London is like, bro, I'm like, please, I need a freaking profit so I can not listen to this sound no more, bro. That shit used to give me the worst headaches, bro. I used to get like literally like an hour's sleep. Oh man, terrible times, bro. Bro,
Yeah, Jay, hold this runner.
What's up?
Hold this runner, bro.
this is Stell, right?
This has a lot of potential.
Nah, it's a bot. It's a bot.
Yeah, it has a lot of potential. This 4-hour could easily come down to 131,
It's not
566.
0.01, bro. It's whatever, but
Oh, you can't have.
Stell or buy?
it's
We're, no, he had a runner first though.
Oh, I thought you had a buy. I'm like, wait.
Chill, bro. Chill.
I was like, wait. I'm like, that's a lot of red I see.
Look, I would have been sweating.
Never. I never, like, when I first started trading, my heart used to fucking beat before I put a fucking trade in, bro. I swear to God. I used to be so
Until it
scared.
sounds like, oh,
And, like, yo, another funny story, when I first started trading, yo, I thought, like, a standard was, like, $1, right?
Yeah, everyone thought that.
Bro, I swear to God. Yo, I put in my first trade, that bitch went from positive, like, 30 to negative, like, 50 in, like, 2 seconds. I'm like, what the fuck is happening?
Blew his account right away.
Bro, you were probably nutting your pants when you saw it went up 30.
Bro, I'm like, what the fuck? Yo, my freaking toes is clenching. I'm like, oh shit, I'm a fucking trader. I look away, I literally look away, right? I'm like, oh shit, what the fuck? And then it went to $1 in profit. I'm like, yo, I'm taking this shit, bro. Fuck it. No, that shit was so funny, man.
But you guys trying to run card after?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go for
Fuck yeah.
Did your thing update too?
I'm gonna go for like a. I'll be on like after like in 30 minutes. Like after 30 minutes, I'm gonna go for a fucking food run.
I'm
Okay.
hungry too. I
Going
ain't
after.
gonna lie.
Bruh, I ate this tofu thing, man. I don't know why I feel hella energized now after eating that shit. Vegetarian like they said.
You vegetarian?
I'm trying it out again.
Yeah, bro. I gotta eat like 3 meals a day, man.
I'm
I-
starting to
Bro,
eat
I
like
eat-
less
I
meat.
eat 2 meals a day.
And I mean like 2. Like I'm skipping breakfast. I gotta eat 3, bro. I gotta. Especially
that's just good for you.
if I'm up this early. Man, I gotta eat at the same time every day. Every single day.
For I don't eat until like 12. Like
Yeah, I gotta start eating after the
Yeah.
stream. Or like this morning, I just drank a coffee as chilling. Like
no,
I
but
got.
it's good for you though. It'll make you so you don't get fat.
I want.
Bro, eat,
Like
like,
drinking
shit
coffee?
all
I'm trying
day,
to get
but
fat
I
here.
just don't eat for 16 hours and then I just don't get fat.
Oh, intermediate fasting, that shit lit, man.
But like
Yeah, that's just good.
my what is it called? What's it called?
But
Metabolism?
it's probably good for your brain though if you're eating like in the morning, like before you trade. I don't
But you
know.
said what about metabolism, dog?
Wait, what's that word?
Metabolism.
Yeah, but I'm super high, so like
Yeah,
I gotta
Tom
eat
has a fast ass metabolism.
yeah, like I
Hey,
can
what's up,
eat
real quick, bro?
I can eat like a 4-piece come up Popeyes, right? And it'll
Wow,
burn
but
off.
you
It'll
also
burn
have
off
to
when I
say
walk to the
that,
bus stop.
Yeah.
You know,
Listen, walk to a bus stop, burn 100 calories.
yeah, like it's just cause I don't know. It's just genetics. I
Bro, you lit, bro. I have real bad metabolism.
Yeah,
But I remember, when I
but
first
like yeah,
started-
fasting will fix that, bro. Like,
Yeah,
just-
I'm gonna start fasting and shit. Cause, bro, I remember I did like vegetarian for like 2 weeks. I lost like damn near 15 pounds. Hella quick. Shit was
I
crazy.
swear it'd just be like the bread and the pasta and the dessert and shit.
Yeah.
That's what get to you.
Yeah, bro. Nah, I might really just try that vegetarian shit like strictly again. Boy, I tell you, that weight loss is kind of scary, but fire. So it's freaky. Cause my friend that like doesn't like dead ass, he didn't eat like meat for like 3 months. He lost like 50, 60 pounds. And he didn't work out. Like I swear. He even told me. I'm like, bro, you cap it. I swear you worked out. He's like, nah, bro, I just chilled, played games all day, and just ate.
Bro, you don't have to work out. Like,
Yeah, no, like he just be on like little walks and whatnot. He said that's only working out really. But he said like he don't go to the gym. Just be like walking and shit. What's up though?
wait, Jay, what do you like? If you're out of school, what do you do? To work?
Yeah, I work, but I wanna I'm helping my friend with like a clothing brand. I wanna start back up like a YouTube channel, cause I do like
That's it.
I do graphics and like video editing, so I just be like editing and whatnot.
That's
So if
fair.
I could get that to like a higher like level and stuff.
How old are you?
20.
So,
My name is Jack. What's going on, y'all?
yeah,
Yeah.
someone's late.
Nah, I've been on. I just been chilling, bro.
This is creepy.
Yeah.
In
How
profit.
much? How much tips?
In profit.
Nah,
What's
he,
it?
I stay in
Jared
profit,
30.
bro.
Right.
Just gotta
Jared,
wait
you
for breaks.
Taj don't see nothing but blue, bro. Y'all must not know this by now.
I'm 35 pips in profit.
Wait, Taj, you only trade your?
Yeah. Yeah, breaking retest, bro.
That's good.
DNR.
When it breaks that zone, it's a wrap.
Deal.
But most of the time, it's staying consolidation. You just gotta wait.
That's like gold,
patient.
kind of.
I'm never trading that shit again.
If you know, you know, bro. You know, you know. All you gotta talk about it. If you know, you know. That's all.
I lost so much money. I'm fucking good. I'm never trading that shit again.
Go
Is it on gold?
nightmares.
I'm never trading it again in my life.
Okay.
Gold used to be fire, man.
Used to
Nah,
be.
word.
Till that shit started fucking up.
Now it's just like, now it's on some next level drug.
That shit on. Goddamn. That shit on. Heroin.
That should be on every type of drug.
That shit on MDMA, bro.
They got
Happy-
the wacky spreads. Like, yeah.
There goes happy sad. Like you don't know what the fuck gold can do, bro. That's why, bro. I gotta be up, like literally, like not sleeping if I'm trading freaking gold. I cannot sleep on a gold trade. I swear to God, I don't care.
For sure, yeah. Cause I need to, yeah. So yo, it don't respect like highs and lows like other players do.
Yeah.
Bro,
Yeah,
it'll-
at one point, the spread would be like 5 pips.
Bro.
Yeah, and that spread will just like
It will
yo,
break
go into
through
profit
any
and then as soon
support
as
and
you're profit, the
resistance
spread
that you
will
think
take the profit.
is a key, bro. I swear to God.
What's
You
that?
know, it will break any resistance or support that you think is like a key area. I swear to God, bro.
Yeah, but it used to be like the most like pinpoint like respecting that like
Yeah.
shit.
It
Like,
used
I
to
swear,
respect
like,
hella shit, but now it just goes straight through it, bro. Like what happened earlier, that was a real strong support on my freaking system shit. But nah,
like yo,
this-
gold just broke the 1 hour low.
Yeah, the thing is, like, gold broke the 1 hour low. But if you look at the 4 hour, it respected it. Like, it respected the previous 4 hour low, you know? But, I don't know, like,
4 hours consistent. Yeah.
4 hours hasn't broken the lows here ever since. Yeah, it's just
I'm
the
just
higher
saying,
time frames
like,
is
it's
always
happening.
gonna take over. It will always take over, you know? But, I don't know, everything was bullish on gold, you know? Daily's bullish, weekly's bullish. It's still gonna go up. It's just, we didn't get the right entry. Well, I didn't give the right entry, maybe, you know?
gonna go up, probably New York.
New York Open, you know, maybe, who knows? Yeah, but yeah, most likely New York. If that 1 hour closes bearish though, yeah, I don't know about the New York. If 1 hour closes bearish, I'll buy myself above it, but yeah, everything's just a lot bullish. See, trading, man, it's just fun when you're on the streams and you're just talking. You don't gotta talk about trading.
Yeah.
Like half the time, we only talk
Cause
about trading. We're just talking about like,
bro, I was
just,
bored as hell right now.
yeah.
I've been up since 1. I haven't been asleep. I just been watching YouTube videos.
Nah, you
Bro,
need
Roger
sleep.
caught 3 trades in the stream.
Oh shit, all profit.
Nah, two 10 pip moves, 1 8 pip loss.
Still up, still up.
But yo, like I feel like that's just what you can do when the market's like this. Like, it's actually pretty nice. Like,
Hey,
Cause
hey.
bruh,
it's in a big range, but like it's just you can just
Yeah,
match, like,
you can if
the
you
support and
yeah,
resistances.
yep. Today is like a good day. Like it's a range, but it's trades that
It's a
I'll
good
take.
range.
Like,
At least it has
trade-
volume.
Yeah, it
right?
has a lot of volume. Like I love days like this. Like yesterday was a perfect day. Yesterday had the nicest moves except for New York maybe, but Asian was clean. You know, Monday was kind of clean. Usually Thursdays and Wednesdays kind of. Eh.
I sort of think about like the past 2 days, like when Gigi was having that heavy bullish push. Like it's just like I didn't want to enter buys because it's like there's no, like it can't continue. Like
Yeah.
Roger was like having the same problems. But yeah, you were catching the buys still. You were Telling you, bro, Don just always finds a way.
Yeah, I sent all my trades win or loss. Well, all my analysis win or loss to you guys. I told you guys in the live stream chat whatever I'm in all the time.
So
Like it may look like I was winning, but
yeah.
nah, man. I everyone takes
Alright,
L's
bro.
there. Everyone takes L's here.
Loses and wins, man.
Took an L on I took an L on Monday straight on the live stream.
How bad was it?
No, it's like 7 pips.
Oh, that's alright.
I'm happy about it because I closed early on it. So they hit my stop. I managed it correctly based off the smaller time frame, and I'm pretty happy about that. Like some days, win or loss, you just gotta look for if you did things correct. Like, did you close early? It's the best thing you could have done there. So let's look at it that way. You can't just look at a loss and be like, I gotta chase the loss. I gotta be happy. I close early, manage it correctly. Like today, I'm happy because I manage my trades correctly, and majority of my trades didn't really see much drawdown. And I stacked. Well, I didn't restack today, but yeah, pretty much it. Pretty much nothing really bad happened today, except for the fact that I should have held my GG cells the second time a little longer, but it's okay. Yes, revenge. Revenge trading is not good.
Dang.
Yo, if this 15-minute breaks a low here, you can probably look for.
Dang. That boy Rasha is in his fucking Duffy today. He popping 15 laps. Sheesh. That boy is his birthday today. God damn. Okay.
Yeah. Sir.
I'll be there one day.
Bruh. I can't wait to pop a 21 lot on my 21st birthday.
I might.
Like,
Yeah.
If I pop a 21 light, I'll shit my pants. Like I can't handle the drawdown. Like my mentality can't. I'm like a steady 8.0. Like I'm comfortable.
Bro, like-
Well, 10 pip stop on an 8.0. I'm comfortable with a $100 loss, but
that's in like every age you put a lot, right? Oh, brother.
Bro.
That 100 lot, that 100 lot finna hit different.
Bro.
Hey, bro, right before I go,
That's like a fucking I'm gonna die anyways. Like,
fucking,
bro.
this is for my son. This for my son. This for you. It's for you. It's for you, my boy. I love you.
Bro, that's gonna be for your grandchildren, man.
Yeah. Fuck.
He enters his 100 lots on gold. Crazy.
He don't give a fuck.
Ted?
You know what he doing.
Yeah.
You know what you doing, bro.
Bro, that guy has so much money that 100 lots probably only like 1% of his account. Like,
That's just crazy. You know? 100 on gold? Like,
yeah, that's
oh, no, thank you.
That's lit, bro.
Ted's like a god level. Like, you know, I'm looking at this shit as like levels. Like, there's levels to it.
there's levels to the shit.
Ted's like god. Like, Don and Raja, like the priest or whatever, or Jesus or whatever,
The pastor, bro.
the pastor.
Yeah.
Russia's the
Like
pastor.
I every now and then I just tell a message to go, you know, thanks for, you know, thanks for teaching me about life, you know.
What's up?
Like I message him a lot, like to a point where he probably gets annoyed, but I don't give a fuck. I don't think he gets annoyed, but he just I message him quite a lot.
He has like no emotions to like. I like the way he has no emotions to like when it comes to.
Bro, he cares so much. Like it's like
About everything.
yeah, he just cares like a lot. Like even though he has a lot of money, like yeah.
I think it just comes with like the age thing, bro. Like once you grow more in age, you just start not caring about shit and caring about shit.
Yo, that's the biggest facts here.
Same. Like with me, bro. Like fashion, I don't give a fuck about that shit. I'm only 21.
Bro, as you get older, I feel like you just learn like what makes you happy and shit.
Yeah.
Just like
Right, cause look,
You learn your comfort
Wow.
levels.
like bro, I hang out with like people that's literally like 5 years older than me, 5, 6 years older than me, and the only thing like they really care about, they don't care about no materialistic shit. They just care about being happy. That's all life is really about, bro.
yeah, that's
I know
that's
what
the
makes
main
you
goal.
happy, hanging with people that make you happy, than just staying happy, you know. Cause bro,
Correct.
like not to be a dickhead, but if you look at most like old people, bro, they look fucking miserable.
Yeah.
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 But the ones that you see happy is like the ones that you see is, you know, like mostly like with friends or you know family and shit, or you know, shit like
I
that.
feel like I feel like just having
Somebody,
freedom is just, like,
someone asked
a
what
big thing.
people.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if they asked Jimmy. I'm not sure, but someone asked what people.
What people? Like what do you mean?
I don't know.
Like the people I hang around is like people like that basically at my brother's age that knew him, like that knew me since I was a kid. And then like I finally just started talking to them now since I got older, and like it really taught me like more shit about life. Cause what I thought life was about is just like getting money, and then you know doing whatever. But it's more than that. Like they just taught me like have fun, you know, enjoy it at a young age while I can, you know, just chill out, take your time and shit. Cause bruh, I know fucking multi-millionaires folks that give me the same advice, man. Take your time, don't rush shit, don't be stupid, get your credit up.
Word.
That's the best advice, man. Get your
credit
credit up. Like once you turn 18, bro, get your credit up. Swear to God. I started
That's what
late.
my brother told me. Yeah.
I
that's what it
started
is,
late, but my credit fire.
Yeah, I need to hop on that.
I'm telling you, bro. Open a
Nah,
credit
word.
card with I don't know, whatever TD secured. I think y'all have a secured card. I'm not sure. Yeah, like it's like this. You get a secured card from your bank first, and then you know, y'all have Discover in
Yeah, I have
Toronto. I
Discover.
mean, in Canada. Yeah, yeah. Open that. That's the second one. And the third one. My show's kind of risky, but I opened a freaking Best Buy card on some stupid shit. Fucked up my credit once I closed it. But then I opened 2 Amexes. And yeah, that shit looking right now.
Now, when I first like got my credit card, I didn't really know how to like utilize it and stuff. And, like,
Yeah.
how to build my credit.
Yeah,
So,
because.
bro, I dropped like 40 points. I was like, yo,
What?
bro.
Ouch! Nah.
But I mean, it's back up now, bro.
Yeah,
It's back
that's
up
good.
now.
But yeah, bro, with credit cards, like, all right, this is some tips that people told me. Like, I know this is like hella off record of like trading. But yeah, so when you trade, when you trade, when you're about to make a credit card payment, right? Make sure you pay like 2 weeks before, and don't pay like on the due date or like a week before. Because if you pay on a week before, I learned like that shit will fuck up your shit, bro. Like
I usually pay like in advance. Cause I hate just having money. Like I hate not paying up.
yeah. And
Like
remember,
my stuff.
like if you're making like purchases or like just paying bills in general, use a credit card, bro. Like I swear, like that's what this girl taught me.
Now you know
like-
what what's it called? You know how iCloud you could use iCloud storage. You could buy for like
Yeah.
$3. That's why I'm gonna just put my credit card on that. So like
Yeah.
every month just like $3 and whatnot. So nothing biggie.
Like, and like, what's another thing? Don't use the freaking max amount. Don't be a dummy. Cause I used to do like this strategy.
That's what I did.
It was super aggressive of growing my score, but I used to max out and then pay it like 2 weeks before. Bruh, it boosted my shit. Like, yeah, but I was like a super aggressive shit. Yeah, don't do that. But yeah, just use like, I don't know, like a 5% of the card balance, and then yeah. Like say if your card's 1,000, use 100. 5,000 limit, use 500. You know?
Yeah, if GJ breaks us low here, it's a pretty good sell.
The 1 hour, if the 1 hour closes bullish though, it's a thing. The 1 hour could still close bullish.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, like if the 1 closes bearish and the 15 breaks low, and that's kind of, it has a high probability of coming down.
Just a 1 hour low.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm playing Warzone right now with no sound. This shit is slick crazy, bro.
I'm a
Cause like,
multiplayer,
Yeah, I'll
bro.
hop on Warzone like,
Yeah.
hop on around.
yeah.
I think I'll hop on
Oh, really?
around. Nah,
Right after stream.
hop on around 10.
Ten-
Yeah, I gotta
might
eat.
not be
Yeah,
around.
work.
Yeah.
Yeah, work.
Bruh, we gotta play before Jimmy goes to work.
Okay, I'll try to run a game like ASAP
You have
after
no
the stream.
idea, bro. I was fiending yesterday. I was scratching my arms and shit. I was like,
Yo,
Wait, so
yeah, I needed to play that shit.
Look at that. Nah, man. It
But
is,
I don't even
it's
like,
fun
I
when I'm
didn't
playing
like
with like
solos at
friends.
all. Like,
Hell yeah. It's way more fun playing with
Yeah.
friends. Bro.
it's just like nerve wracking and shit when you're playing alone.
Yeah, bro. Like, goddamn. I hear every footstep and shit. Alright, as long as it respects this, look. Only way that GJ can like still drop is as long as it respects this high, the previous candle is good. But if it just like straight up just shoot, then it's done, bro. Cause it rejected off like a pretty good support. Cause if you look to the left from I think that's yesterday morning. Yeah, yesterday morning. This is the area, the same exact area where it shut up. So we'll see what it does in next minute.
Man, if the 4 hour were to close like this
Yeah.
this is prime buys.
Yeah. I'm just looking at the left.
That's a signal you could call.
It's Slick did the same movement yesterday morning. They did a drop and then a shot. Drop shot.
it might drop top.
Woke up in the morning.
Wait, you guys talking about you guys talking about sells? What you guys talking about? Buy sells?
I'm talking about the cells, but
Oh yeah,
Sorry,
yeah.
I'm
1 hour
saying
close.
that
1 hour close bearish here.
if the 4 hour was to close like this, like if this was a 4 hour,
yeah.
then because that would be a fake out.
I don't understand your
It would have change
confirmation.
to fill.
I don't. Someone's asked me. I don't understand your confirmations. Well,
What part don't you understand?
if I were to break down GG my buys this morning, I'll break it down to you. You might not get it in one go. It might take a minute, but it's just at first when you hop onto the streams, you might get a little confused, and I understand why. Because people are so used to having fibs in their chart. People are really used to having a trend line in their chart. They're really used to having those type of confirmations. They're used to just seeing if price rejects the high, it's gonna go up. I mean, if price respects the trend line, is gonna go up. If price is gonna bounce up 38, it's gonna go up. You know, that's what they're used to, and that's what majority of the people trading. That's what they use. Just relying on a trend line, a fib. You know, if trading was so easy, can't you just wait for a fib, like a fib retracement every single time? Every time price hits a 61, you enter a buy every single time. Wouldn't that work?
Bro, that's literally exactly what Monty was saying. Really.
Like, I didn't know what he said, but yeah, like, you know, like my trading style is very like, it's gonna take a lot more work than just looking at fib bouncing off a 61. It looks like it's simple, but it's gonna take way more work and way more practice. Like this is all I have in my chart, right? So if I were to break GG down for you, you might not get it in one go, but I'll try to break it down for you. So what happened here at 4 a.m.? What's 4 a.m.? London.
London.
London opening. London opening, what did they do? Created a support. How? This candle closed bearish. One, this next candle rejected that low. You know, rejected it, and now you have a support here. So now you can draw your support like so, like this, right here. So that's your support. Then what happened later? GJ closed bullish. You have a bullish candle closure as support. So now you can say, because then when people have a fib, they just enter down here thinking that it's going to bounce off. But how do you know it's going to bounce off with a close? So when the candle closes bullish as support and it actually closes, you can say that support was held, and you can say that's a support. So when that support closes, this next candle broke. This next candle respected the low of that previous support, because this wick never came down to this low. It came down to like the middle of the candle, but it never broke this low. So you would have had entries on this candle, stop loss below this low, because the price breaks this low, it's gonna go down, right? And your TP would be up here. Why? Because if you look to the left, this has no traffic. By no traffic, this is just one big bearish candle. It doesn't have any blue candles, nothing. It's just one bearish candle. So usually, majority of the time, price mirrors that candle. This. So now you have a nice mirror like this. And this is the move that we caught. This buy. It's simple. I explain it. It's pretty simple, right? But take a lot of practice and patience.
I feel like it's about also knowing how like the candles are being formed.
Yeah.
And whatnot.
In regards to my risk to reward, it doesn't, like, my risk to reward was, I think it was a 1-1. It was a 1-1. About a 1.5 to 1. Same scenario. But I'm not gonna put TP up here. Like, I'm not gonna make it a 1 to 3 and put TP up here when I know that this is a resistance. It doesn't make any sense. I'd rather just stick to the 1 to 1 instead of trying to force a 1 to 3 because I like a 1 to 3 or 1 to 5 better. And I put my TP up here. Wouldn't make sense because this is a resistance. And this is what traders do. They tend to put their TPs at a certain place because they want the risk to reward. They put their stop loss at a certain place because they want the risk to reward. They want a 1 to 20, 1 to 5. And they're trading because they're like, okay, well, hey Donna, I entered to sell earlier. It was a 1 to 20. What did I do wrong? My risk to reward is correct. Like, sure, your risk to reward is correct, but was the move correct? Was the candles lining up to confirm your analysis or whatever, the technicals? Or were you just entering a trade because if you think you're risking $1 for $20? That's not how trading works. The market gives you a 1 to 1, and that's what the market's gonna give you. Like, this trade, there's a resistance here. So why would I force a 1 to 5 up here? It just makes sense. Enter here, TP here, stop loss below here. You know, and that's how I trade.
If the 30-minute breaks a high here, that's it's coming up.
Yes, sir. I just dropped some gems there.
This motherfucker spitting.
Jim is like, wow.
Oh my god! Wow!
Jimmy is speechless. Jimmy is
I'm
speechless.
like, wait a minute. I'm like, yo, I had a pause on 2K game real quick. I'm like, wait. Hold
Yeah,
on.
I hopped off my Warzone game. I had to pause that real quick.
Yeah. Just like, I'd rather be logical in the markets, knowing what I can catch, instead of just betting on it, breaking resistance. I'd rather just take profit resistance and being done in my day instead of just waiting on it to break resistance. Because we don't know it's not break resistance. We don't know that. You know?
Bro, Roger made 8 bands today.
Yeah, he made a shit ton of shit.
Only 33, bro.
That's
He's,
what's up.
he's only 33.
He's old, bro. No, he's not old.
33?
Cause you were trying to say he was 40 and shit.
Bro, I thought he was like 40, bro.
I swear he was 40.
Ted is 40.
Cool though,
Ted's
bro.
40.
Swear to God. That's one cool ass dude. No kizzy. What was I about to say? Oh yeah, bro. I think I was spitting about credit earlier. Pretty fire.
No, you're
Yeah.
kidding.
But yeah,
A little bit.
yeah, bro. Yeah, man.
Something like
Credit up. Get your credit up as young as you can. Save. Save to invest. Don't save to just save. You know. Make that money work.
Bro, I used to spend so much money on like shoes and clothes.
Bruh.
and shit.
Facts.
I
I'm
don't
telling
wear
you,
no anymore.
I'm like literally, bro. I just told you as soon as I entered the car, I'm like, bro, I literally haven't bought clothes, like new clothes in like a little minute, like damn near 6-7 months.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
don't think I've bought anything new since I started like really like focus on trading.
Cause I don't know, that shit just unnecessary. But I was like, you
Nah,
know
What
what?
is-
I'm capping.
I'm like, I need a little
I know it's
wardrobe, little wardrobe. You know, why not? 'Cause yeah, I used to be the type to buy like every shoe once it comes out on Saturday.
Yeah.
Then like I was like, fuck that shit. I sold like a few, like most of them really. Like those Concords, I literally wore them once. I'm like, I fucking hate these shits. I'm selling them. I had top 3 ones. Hated, like literally, I literally wore them twice. Never worn them.
Yeah, I like them. I have them too. I know I like one. I don't know.
I don't know. It's just like as I got older and people I hang around, I was like, you don't give a fuck about what they wear.
Yeah, bro.
They getting fucking racks
Yeah.
though.
You finna realize that bitches don't care if you're wearing $1,000
Yeah, bro. Like literally, when I was in LA, bro, these bitches don't give a fuck that I had a fucking diamond chain on. They just cared about like me, like literally, cause like
So-
they thought like when I was talking to them, they thought I was like one of those like dickhead ass dudes. I'm like, nah, bro, chill. Talking about whatever.
Hold on, someone asked so you're looking at the trade from at the 1 hour time frame and lower. It depends. The scenario happened on the 1 hour time frame, right? 4 hour was bullish at the moment. 30 minute was making highs and lower lows. 15 minutes making highs and higher lows. So I entered based off of the hourly, anticipating just a clean traffic move here, right? But obviously, majority of the times it's just all my time frames combined. Like the weekly is currently bullish. I have momentum when it comes to research resistance. The 4 hours bullish, daily is bullish. So that was like my trade, you know. 4 hour tested this resistance, which is my TP based off the hourly. It's just like all the time frames. I look at all the time frames. You can't just rely. You can't rely on one time frame every single time.
Yeah. But for me,
Yeah,
I don't know,
GGG
like
coming up here.
that 5 minute and 15 minute, I've been using it more. Sheesh, Slick been doing me good, bro. I used to just wait for like the 30 minute and then 1 hour, but I'm like, yo, let me try something out. Like, switch it up a little, bro. Once I started like utilizing the 5 and 15, bro. Sheesh.
Yeah, but the 5 and 15 can also fuck you over. Like,
Yeah, hell yeah. If it messed me over like earlier this week, but it did me good this morning because saw like a good confirmation on both of them. I'm like, I'm going for it.
Like for me, it depends. Like sometimes like all the time frames don't really line up, but sometimes it's like when they all line up, that's a golden trade. When every
Like,
time frame is
which
just
one do you hold on, let me stop stuttering. Which one do you utilize more?
I would say majority 30 minute, 15 minute, and 1 hour. Like it's just it depends though. Like if the 1 hour and 15, if the 1 hour is bullish, 30 minutes bullish, the 15 is bullish, then obviously all time frames will probably go up, you know. But when like you have some conflict, like if the 4 hours bearish and the 1 hour is bullish, I wouldn't. I just try to stay out of the trade mostly because like you know there's conflict between the 4 hour. The 4 hour is a higher time frame and the 1 hour is bullish, but the 4 hour hasn't it's breaking the lows. You know, it's just when there's a lot of conflict, I just usually don't really look at the trade. I'm not interested in it.
Gotcha.
Yeah, mostly I would say mostly 30 minute though. Like mostly a 1,000 times, I would majority use a 30 minute. Just because like usually that's the time frame that lines up the most for me. But it depends, you know. There you go.
Push though. It's crazy.
yeah, I feel like once you get more experience with it, like it doesn't like for this, like it wasn't really that much like confluence, like
Yeah.
weekly.
Oh yeah, I never started using
Daily.
weekly and monthly till like Don had that one-on-one with me a little while back.
Like
Like,
added incentive, I guess.
yeah, like it's like like extra confluence. And Todd's taught me that too. The weekly. I'm like, wait, I ain't never used this shit until like they taught me like, oh shit, this shit's busting. Hold on.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh man, I missed this. Should put a limit right there. Sheesh.
make a golden trade here for GJ would be if this one hourly goes bullish.
Yeah. What time is it? Oh, it's New York
8,
Open.
11.
New York
New York
Open.
Open.
Yeah. New York Open. You know. That's somewhere.
Birds chirping. New York Open. You know the vibes, crazy. They said. Let's
You know the
see.
vibes.
You know the vibes. Oh,
Bro,
cat
that-
news. Oh yeah. Look at cat news real quick. Hold on. Let me check it out.
Isn't that news at 7:30 or 8:30?
Nah, it happened like at 8. Let's see. See what it said. You know, like I don't. Oh. My trading view be scaring me with these freaking alerts, bro. Let's see. FOREX Factory. Oh, never mind. That's at 8:30. I'm tripping. All right, it's gonna be hella volume, so get ready, boys. Good day, good day. Yo, Don.
Yo, yo, yo.
They were Kai dropping this Friday.
That's not.
Yeah.
Playing.
Gunna is though. I'm pretty happy. Pretty looking forward to that. Gunna album. One was actually a pretty. One was a banger.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
The beat was crazy.
I haven't listened to it yet. Let me listen to it in the car.
Where's Card? I hope Cardi's on it. I don't think he's on it. The last album he went ham. Cardi. On fucking Gunna's album. What song was it again?
It was
Same young.
Yeah, same young.
N-word.
I felt like this album came out in 2018, bro. I felt like so long ago.
Okay.
It was beginning 2019.
Yeah, February.
Bro,
It was so.
Gunna used to be like insane though. Like,
Okay. Right. Skinny Gunna was on a whole different level than this
He's-
guy, bro.
Gunna was skinny.
Yes, he was, bro. What you mean?
Yeah, he
Like,
was,
like,
he was.
Jip season 2, like he was skinny, and then like I don't know. Yes,
You got that.
Drip season
You eating too much
Nah.
seafood.
we can't.
two, you just really, like,
He be coming to my job too much, bro. Looking ass.
Were you ever seen Gunna?
No, I'm playing. I ain't never seen Gunna. Want to meet Gunna though. I'm gonna ask him why the fuck he wore floral pants are rolling loud that year. Hot ass, it's fucking 9 degrees. What you doing wearing floral pants with your big ass? Bro, I was watching this man perform. I'm like, yo, you got on pants in this 9 degrees weather, bro. I don't know how you do it.
Doing.
I don't know how he does it. I don't know how much price he be taking.
Bro, rappers be like that, bro. Rappers be wearing like hoodies and jeans and shit. See?
That's only for skinny rappers, alright. That's alright. We're gonna you you gotta wear some shorts, man. 95 degrees, middle of the day. It's freaking hot, my G. No cap. But his set was lit though. No cap. That shit was lit. Then play with Cardi. Oh my god. That set, I'm not gonna lie, that shit was hard as fuck. Lost my phone. Someone found it for me. Shit was lit.
Only ever concerts I've been to were Gunna and Playboy Cardi.
That's what's up.
The Cardi show was like insane, bro.
Oh,
Like,
yeah. Bro, someone elbowed the fuck out of me, bro. Like,
yeah, bro.
look at my eye. That shit was lit. That shit was lit though. I got him back. I got him back the next song though.
Yeah, yeah.
Yo, RIP was the next song. I smacked the fuck out
Oh
of that.
shit.
Caught
Oh,
him,
at
bro.
Veld? Not Veld. Not Veld. What am I saying? Run Loud.
Yeah, rolling loud, bro. Someone elbowed the hell out of me. I found him right. I'm like, bet. When this next song play on, I heard. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my! I said it go crazy. I found him literally someone pushed him into the pit, right? He pushed him right into me. I fucking smacked his shit. I backhanded him, bruh.
He's out of
In front
pocket.
everybody. Then he was like, meet me after the set. I'm like, what's up with it, man? You like
Bro,
same
bro.
size as me? What's up with it?
Yo, the exact same shit happened to me. Like,
Bro. No cat, that elbow hurt. I'm not gonna lie, bro.
yo,
That's like,
yo,
it always
there's
let me
always,
cry,
yeah,
bro.
so there's always that one guy that just like likes to just like go
Talk
extra
shit.
ham, just like try to hurt people and shit.
Hell yeah, but no, not gonna lie, that elbow slick hurt it though. I was like, bro, I want to cry, but it's too intense around. I'm like, I'm gonna get him next song, man. Cause it was hyping me up to get him back. I'm like, fuck it, bro. Cause last year, I'm not gonna lie, I was shy as fuck. I'm like, I don't know. I just developed confidence over time. I used to be super quiet and shit, you know. After you hang out with certain people, man, you just change. Not gonna lie though, that elbow, yo, he went straight for it. Like it was not even like, not one of those like, you know, accident elbows. Now he just went straight for my ass, and that shit like, yo, what's up, man?
Yeah, tripping. Yeah, bro. Some guy pushed me like hella hard during the party contest, and I
Pissing your
pushed him back.
fucking cereal
tried to
this
fight
morning,
me.
G.
Yeah, like, bro,
My shit's lit though. That shit's fine.
they just be on coke and shit.
I don't know. Young cold bit. All right, 15-minute high finna get broken on DJ. No cap. Too much volume.
Yeah,
Got
this is
news
a
in
better.
like-
This is a better buy to be honest. 15-minute high.
Got this news in 12 minutes.
Yeah, that's for Cat though. I ain't paying attention. Yeah, cause look, once it breaks this high, it's going straight to that 132.
Yeah, now you have
70.
clean traffic.
Yeah, traffic to that 132.75 wick, fell. But it's just like it's just playing at this strong resistance. I mean, well, not strong. This is resistance.
It's on a minor 15-minute resistance.
Yeah.
I think the 15 minute close on bullish. I think I'm
Yeah.
pretty sure. I'm expecting this to continue up here. 132,
But it's
140,
just,
140.
And the
kind of having a
4 hour
hard time.
Yeah, like the 1 hour didn't close yet, but like if you anticipate that's the 1 hour low, this straight can go.
Yeah, markets are moving nicely.
I like volume, bro.
Yeah, it's like a lot of volume within a range. Like I like this. Like it's like,
Yeah.
you can just call. You can just like,
I love
trade
it.
off the point resistances.
Yo, whose car is that? Who? Scared me. I'm like, yo, is that my car? Bro, I can't wait till Sunday, bro. Finna get car wash. But,
I just want locked dog hop on the stream.
bro,
Yo, I
Mr.
thought you-
Bitches,
Yo,
bro.
where you guys at?
What's up, guys? What's up, my friends? Bruh, fuck, that's my guy, though. Funny. Mr. Bitches. Pizza rolls already.
Piece of rose. Boy.
But alright, yeah. Look what GJ's doing right now. It hit that resistance.
Yeah, it's out of my reason.
It's just playing with this shit, bro. So it's either you're gonna buy, it's either you can hold.
It closed bearish. That's a nice setup for a buy. Cause
Look at the 5 minute, hold on. Here, look at the 5 minute real quick.
Yo, if this 1 hour closes bullish here, the 4 hour is gonna close bullish as well. And if the 4 hour 1 hour closes bullish, it's looking like we're gonna continue going up here. So that 4 hour wick. So if you enter off after this 4 hour candle, this 1 hour candle closure, which stops below the 1 hour candle, you can have a potential runner all the way up to 132.793 past that resistance. If the price breaks this, it's high, it's most likely gonna break this as well. You might remove South's entry at 132.355, right? But I'm expecting it to reach 132.781. Because if the 4 hour breaks the high, the daily will break the high as well. The daily will eventually come up to 132.700. So yeah, I'm waiting for 1 hour candle, see what happens. That's how, like, you know, our time frames gonna line up together. We need some type of support here on a 1 hour and 30 minute. Very good support. The day just feels so much shorter when you enter trades at like 6:30 a.m.
Yeah.
Just chilling.
Bruh, yesterday, I'm not gonna lie, bro, my bad for falling asleep. Cause yo, I did ass was like, yo, let me lay down real quick for like 5 minutes, bruh. I just slumped straight up. Yo, I was like, yo,
Bro,
I
that's
just
how
put my
it be.
headset down. I'm like, yo, I told you, I was like, yo, give me 5 minutes. I'm gonna lay down real quick, bruh. Bruh. I don't know why I felt so tired that early. I mean, yeah, I know why, but I was like, nah, bro. As long as my mic was like not up, I'm good.
Nah,
Wouldn't
you
hurt
wasn't
my
even.
stomach.
You ain't muted, bro. You ain't muted. I don't think you
Yeah, I
were
was
muted.
muted for a reason. I'm
Oh,
like,
you
I
were?
don't want y'all to hear me freaking snore. I was swamped. Cause bro, I'm telling you, bro, these waking up at 4 o'clock every morning, bro, that shit takes a toll on
Bro,
you.
why you
Bro.
wake up at 4?
You were class
I gotta drive my grandma to work at 4:30 in the morning. Yeah,
Oh.
I gotta drive her and her friend. Yeah. I don't want her to take the bus, bro. That shit's scary as fuck. At 4 o'clock in the morning?
100%.
Hell nah. I was like, yo, let me drive you to work.
Yeah, that's a whole lot of risk. Like,
Hell yeah. Cause
old
like she
person.
usually be doing it. Then like every time I got whip, I'm like, yo, I'm gonna just start driving to work. Yeah. I mean, fucked up.
I mean, it's kind of a good thing because then you can also just get early in on the markets.
Yeah, bro. Like
Hey.
that's how I'll be catching my early birds sometimes.
Hey, I'm looking for this thing. If the 15-minute closes bearish, I'm gonna have a buy stop above that 15-minute high.
Mm-hmm.
In 6 minutes, and I come up to here. 11 pip move. So let's see what happens here. I wanted to close bearish though. 15. A buy stop above it. But I have to close bearish first. That's the first step.
Let's see what I do in 7 minutes.
Yep.
Dang, that boy smacked the hell out of his keyboard. I'm like, god damn, who the fuck going in? Someone going in.
I'm trying to mock up my chart.
My man,
This guy's like. I log
man
in.
put in a freaking bomb code. That boy trying to defuse the search right now, bro.
Yeah, yesterday's stream was so messed up because I was downloading COD. Like yesterday's stream, like I had to end the stream early because the audio was getting messed in the stream.
Bruh, I need to freaking call my internet provider, cause boy, this performance, I don't like it. I do not like it.
Dude, Don, do you have those the Roa boots?
I sold them.
Yo, they're hard.
Yeah.
The ones with the red laces.
Oh, I had yellow laces, but yeah, red laces are pretty hard. Oh, the paint. I had the painted ones. Yeah, they're my winter boots, but I got Rick Owens and then I sold the Roa boots.
What's that?
It's like it was like a boot brand, hiking boot brand, but it got popular because of League Studios. You know that brand?
Nope. Never heard.
Yeah, it got popping because of that. Ian Connor and stuff. Oh, Kanye.
Bruh, you know, I never knew like Canadian Goose was like expensive. Like no cap. Cause these is like,
You thought that shit was
right.
like cool for people, right?
nah, I thought it was just like, you know, like $100. You know,
Nah, it's just like $800, bro. That's like
hell no. Yo,
$1,000.
cause this girl used to like wear hella Canadian Goose. Like people used to join it. She was like, how you a Canadian Goose? No, nobody know about that shit, bruh. She was rich as hell.
Canadians know about it.
Yeah.
Mind you, Canadian.
And she was for Canada. That's the thing.
Oh.
I'm like, yo, chill. I'm like, bruh,
I
y'all
swear,
broke.
I swear that's like kind of a flex now, no?
That's a big ass flex. 800 for a jacket?
It's like wearing a Montclair
No,
in
but
America.
when you see
Bro,
Canada Goose, like,
Montclair,
But yo, when you go to Canada Mall, you can see everyone wearing a Canadian Goose.
bruh.
Everyone wears it.
Montclair is like hella popular.
Like people wear Montclairs too, but like,
I like
you see like a white girl and her mom, we guarantee you they're both wearing it.
Montclair. But yeah, Canadian Goose, like, why is it so expensive though? I
It's
never
like,
knew.
it's just like any other like jacket brand. It's like same shit. Like,
I thought it was
they
like
use,
literally made from like a literal Canadian Goose. like
nah, it's made from but they use like the real hair and shit. Like they do some fucked up shit. They,
Oh,
like,
hell no.
coyote fur.
they like abuse animals and shit.
Oh
yeah.
hell no! They be
Yeah.
giving these coyotes lineups and shit. They be giving them. They be giving them a fades. Leave them fucking like shitless. Goddamn. Cause like y'all know what like change.com is, right? Like where they do like all these donations against like fucked up shit. It used to be one against Canadian Goose. I'm like, what did they do around? Now I read it, I'm like, damn, they went crazy on them animals, boy. They show pictures, I'm like, ew. Come on, dog. Your pizza rolls are burning. Please take them out the oven now. Your house is about to be on
It sounds
fire.
slay. I ain't gonna lie. Pizza roll sounds slay, man.
Alright,
I
eat my
just do
breakfast,
this.
bro. I'm not gonna eat no more until afternoon. What's that? 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. I don't eat past 8, bro. Cause if I eat past 8, I'm not going to sleep.
What, 8 p.m.?
Yeah, 8 p.m. I hate eating past 8 p.m. Cause, bro, that's when I literally cannot sleep, bro.
Like, I used to like eat and then go to sleep right afterwards, but that's bad.
I can't do that. I can't do that no more, bro. Cause like once I eat before I sleep, I gotta stay up a little and let it digest and then go to sleep.
I want to let it digest, but I be not. I be tired, bro.
Yeah. No cap. I ate Thanksgiving dinner at one of my friend's house, bro. That food busted. That's the only time I went to sleep at that age, man. Yo, I don't know what she made. Oh my god, she made hella fire ass shit. Busted. What states you live in, Jay?
Massachusetts.
Massachusetts? What type you
Yeah.
doing over there? What will be going
Nothing,
on
bro.
over there?
There ain't nothing going on over there. I moved from I was lived in New York for like 10 years. Yeah,
Which one you
nothing
like more?
going on. New York.
Yeah.
See, I don't sleep. I feel like it's just more like there's more opportunities down there as well.
Yeah.
All that.
I was thinking about moving to Florida.
Nah, I'm
After like 3 years. Nah,
Yeah.
I'm not moving to Florida. I'm just staying here. So like I wanna save up, buy a house, move in with like 2-3 good friends, and then yeah.
Yeah, there's a plan.
But nah. I'm gonna cut the house thing a little bit short because if I'm going back to school, like if I'm not going back to school, I'm just straight up getting a house with like 2 good friends and then work trade.
Yo, Don, are you thinking about moving out?
No, not yet. Maybe
Rob,
2
what do you
years.
think about it?
2 years.
Yeah, 3 years.
2-3 years. I'm still 20.
Yeah, I'm not moving
Yeah,
out till
you're
like
still
I'm
young.
fully ready, bro.
I'm hella young, bro.
Bro, like these Atlanta girls, as soon as they get 18 or 21, they want to move out ASAP. I'm dead. That shit, bro, I'm telling you, bro. People want to like move out early for freedom, but trust me, man. That shit, expensive ass mistake if you don't have like funds saved up. Like you saved up a pretty good amount, whatever, got a pretty decent job, and yeah, move out. But nah, if you have like a little basic ass job and ain't got shit saved up and no credit, don't even think about moving out yet, bro. 'Cause I'm telling you, bro, credit score take you more than goddamn street credit, you know? People think street credit worth it like that. Yeah, it's worth it, but not as much as that credit. Credit game. Oh yeah, respected at 15-minute high. A bit drop. Uh-oh. Retrace. Now anything?
Nah.
Or no? No. I'm still trying to look for one more good trade.
think buy stops above here would be pretty
Just waiting.
pretty solid there.
I'm just waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Missed like 4 opportunities already. All right, 8:30, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. Let's see, what do we see? Expected. Broke it. Expected.
Oh, 30 minutes left in this candle.
Be my mind.
Y'all shit raging like a mud, bro.
Fact. It's just because it's news. That's gonna come out in a little,
Bro.
yeah, a little minute. Not a little minute, but a few more hours.
I'm 45
Cause what?
pips into profit.
Yeah, it's that GBP news.
It hit like some kind of resistance, so
Yeah.
I'm just chilling.
What's the entry point? My bridging?
Fucking 1180.
1180.
Sheesh.
Sheesh.
Fucking
Good entry.
123.
What there?
Jer.
Dax.
Jer 30.
Jer 30. Dax, motherfucker. Damn,
277 pro. Dallas.
Dallas. Dallas.
You know what? I'm done for today. Pick this. 271. I'm taking this.
Good night.
277. Bet. I'm done for today.
DJ breaking that 30-minute low.
When you go to the grocery store, man, best analogy. No kidding. What you buy? What you buy? But nah.
Yeah, what the?
Whoa, what the hell happened to TJ?
Coming down here.
Sheesh.
130.
Range right here. Move this up. Range right here. Go above. There, Brian. Go below yourself.
I'm glad I got out. That shit's dropping.
That reaction.
Yeah, not much stuff anymore, eh? Where's Sam go? He left?
We can use the restroom or something.
Alright.
Sheesh. Yep.
I'm down here.
Goodbye, DJ.
Goodbye, DJ.
Goodbye, my friend. And if news goes bad for GBP, then all I gotta say is DJ is gonna be off the MT4.
Oh, what happened in Cat News? Came out bad?
Let's see.
Well,
Came out
came out good.
Good.
Mixed
Like-
news came out positive. It came out bad. Yeah, it was minor news anyways.
What's like the
Bro,
NFP for Cat News?
NFP, I started NFP on the same day.
No, I mean not NFP, but like FOMC. I'm tripping. For like cat.
Rate cuts. FOMC's rate cuts. Rate cuts. Same
Ah,
thing for all currency. It just says rate cut. But yeah.
gotcha.
Nope. No.
If you could only trade one pair for the rest of your life, what
GJ.
pair would it be?
For sure,
Yeah.
GJ.
What about y'all, bro?
Yeah, GG. I like the way I like the way it moves.
So,
US 30. I was speaking. I was talking to myself and should have myself mute.
US I'm dead.
Nah, but when I first didn't like, I didn't really knew how to like what I was doing, and I would always like trade US 30 and always blew my account off US
All I
30.
know is, well, when I took one of Don's free signals before I joined the group, bro, I was like, how the fuck does he know this shit? I'm like, yo, that shit got me like, that shit had me like, it's just, I'm like, how the fuck does he know this shit? I'm like, how does he know that this pair is this, that pays like this, how fast this goddamn moves? Like, literally, I make more off of like 2 of his signals than I did in like my whole old IML group, bro. No cap.
Oh, it was a US 30 signal, right?
It was one US 30 signal, and then the other one was this gold buy that happened like right before FOMC. I don't know how the hell he saw that shit coming. That shit soared, goddamn. I'm like, I ain't never make this much money this fast before. I don't know. Damn. Let's see. Euro, GBP. Let's see. 5 minute. Oh, top.
Why is it even good? What?
So what
How are
happened?
we losing? Nah, I'm a multiplayer real quick. I'm so. Why am I tired?
Bro, wake up.
Bro, I went to sleep. Bro, I went to sleep at like 9. Cause I took a stupid loss. Cause I wasn't confident on my trade, and I was like, I'm going to sleep.
Yeah, bro.
Went to
Sleep
sleep,
it
came
off.
back up, and to get some picks. You feel me?
Yeah, actually, I think I'm really done for the day. Fuck it.
Yeah, I'm done for
One
a day
trade.
too. I'm just gonna
Yeah,
chill for the
one
last
trade's
like 20
enough.
minutes.
Yeah,
Don't watch.
yeah, one trade's enough. I'm just chilling soon, though. Yeah, that one trade was enough. Good 15 pips. That's enough. 5%. It's good.
You guys have any charts? Feel free to send them in the chats. I'll look over every chart. Use it to your advantage. Is my chat loading correctly? Hold on. I gotta refresh it. It's laggy or something.
Did you find that part for your PC yet? Or nah?
Me?
Yeah.
Not yet. Not yet.
Jimmy, where'd you buy your PC?
It's a place called Micro Center. They have like discounted like PCs and whatnot. It's in it's like a few minutes away from me. Yeah, like 15 minutes. But yeah, I got it for a good price because before I bought it, I think this PC was like 800, 900 around that area. I got it for like 6 something.
That's done.
Yeah, cause like when I used it, I thought it was gonna be like ass, but it's shit pretty good. Pretty
It's
good
like
for its
a gaming PC.
It's a game PC. It's pretty good for its age. It's kind of like I think it's 2 processors behind. I think we're on 9th gen right now, right? 10th gen, something like that. But yeah, mine's is a 7th gen i5. It's pretty good. Pretty good for its price. I really want to get a freaking monitor stand, but I don't know if I want to get it off Amazon or at that place. Amazon, cause it's kind of cheaper, but at that place, cause I want that shit now. Nah, I'm just waiting. I don't need that shit now.
You gonna get it off Amazon?
Nah, I don't think I'm not gonna get it anytime soon. Like, I don't think I need it. Not now.
Yeah, you have 2 monitors?
Yeah, 2 monitors. I like my main monitor more though. It's more clear. Shit. My second monitor, I got for sale. Got on Black Friday. The low.
Oh, gold came down here. Yep. That's why we
Dang.
got out earlier. See, it's breaking the lows. Now we see. If you did not,
Hold on, this is.
if you did not close, you would be in terrible drawdown right now.
Yep. See, I'm telling you, just like I was talking to Sam earlier. When gold breaks, it breaks, right? Like,
Yeah.
no low. Fuck is resistance. Fuck the support. Fuck the resistances. It's going up or down. Straight up. I don't know. Like, maybe in June I'll start trading gold again. Maybe. We'll see how it goes.
Nah, until it gets better, I don't know. Ugh.
Like,
So would that be like a fake out on the 1 hour down?
What time frame? Yeah, it was a fake out. We got caught on that. Was above, and came back down.
damn. Be right back here.
We got like 15 minutes left. See what happens here. We're gonna end the streamer, guys. Not much happening here except for just range maybe, you know, might get a push later on, but probably not gonna be a push for another 15. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna hop off here. Catch you guys tomorrow during New York again. You know, we do the same thing every day on the streams, you know.
Alright.
Yep, see you guys tomorrow. There'll be a highlight video up later.
Yeah.